how are you? I hope you all are fine. I'm Payal Monga, your EVS teacher, and you know that we are doing the chapter Foods We Eat. So, in a previous session, we have learned that how family members of a family eat the different type of food. Some people can eat that specific food, and some people cannot eat that food, right? So today first we are going to learn that which foods are energy giving, which foods are body building, and which foods are protective foods. After that we will learn some types of food, and then we will continue our chapter. Okay, first we are going to learn that importance of food, and then food we need, and what are the energy giving food, what are the body building food, and what are the protective food, and then what are the sources of food. There are two sources of food, that are plants and animals. Okay, so let's continue. Importance of food. So what is the importance of food for our body? We need food to live and grow. It makes us strong and healthy, and it gives us energy. So why we need food? Because it helps us to live and grow, and it makes us strong and gives energy to our body, so that we can work and we can play and we can do so many things. Okay, energy givers gives us energy to work and play. So food gives us energy so that we can work and we can play. Energy giving food. So here you can see some foods that are energy giving foods and give energy to our body to work and play. And these are sharbat, rice, peanuts, potatoes, sugar, and bread. So these are the energy giving foods. Body building foods. So these foods help our body to grow and makes us strong. Okay, body building foods are milk, cheese, curd, pulses, fish, and meat. So these are body building foods, and it helps our body to grow. Protective foods keep away illness and helps us to stay healthy. So these foods build our immunity system strong, and it keep us away from the diseases and help us to stay healthy. And protective foods are spinach, tomato, banana, watermelon, mango, and brinjal. Okay, so these are protective foods. Now we are going to learn that what are the sources of food. So from where we get the food, and there are two sources. First is plants. So which food we get from the plants and the different parts of plant. So from roots we get carrot, beetroot, radish, and turnip. So these are the foods that we get from the roots of the plants. And then the stem, and we get this food from the stem of the plants. Ginger, sugarcane, onion, and potato. Okay, these are the stems. And these are the leaves of the plant, and which we can eat. Spinach, lettuce, cabbage, and mint. So these are the leaves, and we can eat them. And now the flowers. So cauliflower and broccoli. So these are the flowers of a plant, and which we can eat. Now the fruits. Tomato, brinjal, pumpkin, and cucumber. These are the fruits of the plants, and which we can eat. And there are some other fruits: grapes, orange, banana, and watermelon. And now apple, mango, papaya, pineapple. So these are all the fruits we can eat, and these are very good for our health. Now the seeds. So from some plants we can eat seeds. Okay, like wheat, corn, peas, and rice. So these are all the seeds which we can eat. and here are some spices. So spices adds the flavors to our food. Okay, and these are pepper, turmeric and chili. So these are the parts of the plants which we can eat and which are the sources of our food. Now there are some other sources. These are animals. Some food we get from the animals, like milk. So from some animals we can get milk. These are cow, buffalo, camel and goat. We get milk from these plants which we can drink. Okay. Now honey. We get honey from the bees. Okay. After this, eggs. So from some animals we can get eggs. Those are goose, duck and hen. And from some animals we can get meat to eat, like goat, sheep, fish and chicken. Okay, from these animals we can get meat. So now you have learnt that some foods are energy giving, some foods are bodybuilding and some foods are protective foods. And after that you have learnt that sources of food, and these are plants and animals. Okay, now do this question also. Ask your elders and fill up the table. What they can eat, what they cannot eat. So a child, what they can eat. Child, what can they eat? Child can eat milk, kheer, dal, khichdi, all the soft things that are easy to eat, because they don't have teeth. That's why they can't eat hard things. Okay? And but they cannot eat bhutta, dry fruits, chapati, hard fruits. They are not able to eat these things because they don't have teeth. Okay? After this, young people, what they can eat. So young people can eat everything. There is nothing that they cannot eat, because they have healthy teeth and there is no problem for them to eat anything. Okay, जो young people होते हैं उनके teeth healthy होते हैं, that's why they can eat anything. Okay, but they cannot eat, there is nothing that they cannot eat. Okay, after this, old people. So what old people can eat? Old people have weak teeth, that's why they cannot eat everything. Okay, they can eat some things like rice, dal, milk, chapati soaked in dal. So these are the things that are easy for them to eat. Okay, after this, what they cannot eat? Bhutta, nuts, hard fruits. So old people are not able to eat these things. Okay, so this was about these things that they can or cannot eat. So ये हमने उन चीज़ों के बारे में बात की है जो वो नहीं खा सकते और जो वो खा सकते हैं. Okay, do we eat all the things that we can eat? Not always. तो क्या हम वो सभी चीज़ें खाते हैं जो हम वो खा सकते हैं? Not always. हमेशा ऐसा नहीं होता कि हम वो सभी चीज़ें खा लें जो हम खा सकते हैं. Okay, let's talk about those things that we do eat. तो अभी हम उन चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे जो कि हम खाते हैं. Okay, put circle on the things that you eat often. Here we have to circle those things that we eat often जो कि हम usually खाते हैं. Okay, there is rice, wheat. Rice मतलब चावल, wheat गेहूँ, barley that means जौ, eat oats. After this, maize that means makka, millet that means bajra, tapioca that means sabudana and ragi. So here we have to circle those things that we eat often जो कि हम usually खाते हैं. These are rice and wheat. So these things we usually eat. And what is the reason behind that we eat only rice and wheat and not all these things usually? Most of our food is made of these things, depending on what grows easily at which place. So हम वो चीज़ें खाते हैं जो कि हमारे प्लेस पर इजीली अवेलेबल होती हैं, जो कि हमारे एरिया में ग्रो होती हैं, so we are used to eat those things. Okay, so like we live in Haryana, so here we can easily find out the rice and wheat. So these are the main foods of our area. Okay, different things are eaten at different places. So just like that, different things, people eat different things at different places because the things are easily available for them. Okay, so kids, we are done for today and we will continue the chapter in our next video. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.